let me introduce to you today summary of the sizes of various models of ambulances. First, let's take a look at the Ford V362. Its length is 5.34 meters, width 1.98 meters, and 2.39 meters high. What I just introduced is the size of the Ford V362. Next, let's look at the internal dimensions of the medical cabin. The length is 2.4 meters, width 1.36 meters, height 1.62 meters. If you need to install a single-layer 40-liter oxygen cabinet, its size is around 40 centimeters. The two cars next to me now are both from the Fashion series. On my right is the center axis, the middle top. The left-hand side is the center axis, the middle and high top. They both have a length of 5.49 meters, with a width of 1.97 meters. The mid-axle, mid-top model has a height of 2.32 meters, and the mid-axle, mid-high top model has a height of 2.48 meters. Now let me show you the interior dimensions of the Fashion mid-axle, mid-top of medical cabin first. Its length is 2.45 meters, width 1.6 meters, and 1.44 meters in height. The interior length of the mid-axle, mid-high top medical cabin is 2.56 meters long, 1.36 meters wide, and 1.72 meters high. Fashion series, in addition to the mid-axle, mid-top, and mid-axle, mid-high top models, also has a mid-axle, high top model. Its length is 5.49 meters, width 1.97 meters. The height is 2.62 meters. The inner length of the high top is 2.56 meters, 1.36 meters wide, and 1.8 meters high. Next, let me show you the size of the Ford T8 mid-axle top. Its length is 5.49 meters, width 2.06 meters. The height is 2.48 meters. The internal dimensions of its medical capsule. The length is 2.45 meters, width 1.36 meters, height 1.62 meters. The Ford T8 long axle high top has the largest dimensions among all models. Its length is 5.99 meters, width 2.06 meters, height 2.77 meters. The interior dimensions have a length of 2.8 meters, width 1.39 meters. The height is 1.93 meters. I am 1.83 meters tall. There is no problem with the internal size and space at all. If you choose to install a sleeper, the internal dimensions of the medical cabin will also change to some extent. The exact dimensions depend on the actual vehicle.